Hello, beautiful people. We are here in Spicy Hut Restaurant. Tikman natin ang kanilang mga Thai food with my lovely family. So, andito si lovely daughter and daddy chef. Presenting to you ang aming in-order. Lana has wok with tofu, bamboo shoots, and mushroom. Of course, rice in the side. Meron siyang chicken, courage. Dumako tayo sa order ko. Ang order ko naman ay wok with shrimps, basil, onion, spring onion, and red bell pepper. Mukhang masarap. Ito naman kay Daddy Chef, ang kanyang spicy chicken with bell pepper and sprouted beans. Talagang papakain ako ng kanin today dahil match na match ang kanilang sauce. First and last spoon for you lovely people. Thank you, Lord, for the food. And thank you for watching, everybody. Have a great day and God bless us all.